Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, west central Lake County in northwestern Indiana. A severe thunderstorm was located over North Village, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include Hammond, Gary, Chicago Heights, Schererville, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Homewood, Cedar Lake, Steger, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Hazel Crest, Sauk Village, Flossmere, Linwood, Glenwood, and Crete, including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 2 and 6. This includes Indiana Motor Speedway and Ferry State College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is NOAA's weather radio.